How to create a seating chart in ClickCharts. Click Templates, select Seating Chart, and choose a template or blank diagram. Add tables, chairs, and other symbols from the symbol panel. Then enter names, seat numbers, or labels by double-clicking each symbol. Arrange the symbols to match your venue layout. Adjust their appearance as needed, and click Save when finished. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on how to create a seating chart in ClickCharts. On the Home tab, click the Templates button. From the list of templates, select Seating Chart. Choose one of the available templates to get started quickly, or select Blank Diagram to build your chart from scratch. Start by planning the layout of your room, venue, classroom, or event space. Use the symbol panel in the left sidebar to add seating chart symbols. Common symbols include tables and chairs. Click a symbol to select it, then click on the canvas to place it. To place the same symbol multiple times, hold Shift while clicking on the canvas. Double-click a symbol to enter text, such as guest names, table numbers, seat numbers, or room labels. Continue adding symbols until all seating areas and venue elements are represented. Arrange the symbols to match the physical layout of the space. Click and drag symbols to reposition them, and use the square handles to resize them as needed. To change a symbol's appearance, select it and click Fill to change its color. Click Line to modify the outline color and line style. When your seating chart is complete, click Save to store your work. For more ClickCharts tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.